Hi there, students. Insufferable. Okay, insufferable is an adjective. You could have the adverb insufferably. If something is insufferable, it's impossible to bear. It's just too much. You can't endure it. It's difficult to put up with. So these people are insufferable. It's horrible being with them. They're just so rude. They are insufferably rude. Or the heat this summer has been insufferable. It's been insufferably hot. Okay, it's been intolerable. It's been unendurable. Yeah, it's not something that you could put up with. Yeah, it's unbearable. Okay, so insufferable. We've got the verb to suffer, to experience hardship, to feel pain, to feel anguish, to undergo, to suffer something that's painful. Okay, so he's been suffering from arthritis. The economy is suffering from high inflation. And then something that's insufferable is something that you just can't bear. It's difficult to put up with. It's impossible or difficult to abide. So the boss is in an insufferable mood today. Yeah, it's extremely difficult to bear. This guy is an insufferable bigot. Yeah, it's insufferably hot in there. Okay, it's just difficult to tolerate. It's extremely difficult to bear. It's unbearable. Okay, so insufferable. He's insufferably rude. He's an insufferable bully. He's an insufferable bore. Okay, so he's unbearably arrogant. He's insufferably arrogant. He's insufferably conceited. He's insufferably boastful. Yeah, he's insufferably full of himself. Okay, so insufferable, intolerable, something that is difficult to endure. He's just, well, absolutely insufferable, this guy is. If you call somebody insufferable, you're emphasizing how unpleasant they are, how annoying they are. There is an insufferable noise coming from the flat next door. The smell coming from the drains is absolutely insufferable. That dog has been barking all day. I wish he would stop his insufferable barking. I can't read any more of this book. It's just insufferably boring. Okay, so it's just impossible to endure or very difficult to endure. It's something that you don't want to put up with. So yeah, this is an insufferable situation, and something is going to have to be done to change it. Okay, he is or the company is being insufferably complacent in this matter. Yeah, I think particularly insufferable heat, an insufferable person. The traffic has been insufferable today. It's just difficult to bear. He's an insufferable bore. He's an insufferable. He's insufferably selfish. Yeah, he's just all in all insufferable, impossible to suffer. So, insufferable, formality. I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from suffer, in, not, and then sufferable, souffrable, or souffrable in Old French. Okay, so absolutely insufferable, impossible to suffer, from soffrire, or soffrire in Latin, to endure, to put up with. So I hope I haven't this video hasn't been insufferably boring. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Insufferable.